I know why you're actually here this time. Your Peugeot doesn't start, does it? Or your Citroen. Have you put a starter motor on and it's still not starting? Or you've tried jump starting it, still not starting? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Let's get into it, right? So check this out. So if you've got this message, that's the message I'm talking about, which is, as you go to try and start it, absolutely nothing happens. Nothing, see look, nothing. I'll turn the key, look, just so you can see it. Nothing happens. And now you're gonna ask me, what's the cause of this? And can I get this car started? Well, actually you can. Let me show you how you can get it started, why it's not starting, and then we'll get into it, we'll get this repaired and get this lady back on the road. Stay tuned. And oh yeah, while you're there, hit that like, subscribe, and please drop a comment. It helps get me a bit of exposure, because obviously the more I grow, more videos I can do, and more people to be honest with you, there's a lot of good things I want to do with this channel.